Happy all-time high for Bitcoin, 111,000. Another all-time high for today, and I think it's still got some energy to keep going. Maybe 120. We'll see how things go. But today we're gonna look at what we've done so far on our daily trading journal, and what kind of profits we have taken. So let's go take a look. All right, let's zoom in right now, and currently it is up there. We are still down this wick. Weren't able to fill any positions yet, but we did reset the rungs. We only have two, I guess, 0.02 in value, so $223. So really not much there. But from that bottom, $18.90, it can go up to infinity if it wants to. But at least we're not gonna FOMO in, okay? So if it comes down, great, we'll pick it up. Otherwise, we just let it go, and it's gonna close out one more contract over here. So that's the I call it contracts like inverse pressure, but we'll close at point one. We're leaving point one left over to take off where it needs to go, and not completely close out a long position so that it doesn't switch or do anything weird or we FOMO in or something weird. We're just gonna let it ride. Okay. Now I've been analyzing the vaults, and it's kind of pretty interesting. But first, currently up $343 on my account. My daughter's up $13 now, and still 25, but a few cents. But it's only $100, so still not bad. Overall, 1.62%. That's probably about a good 25% per year type of rate right now. And looking at the rest of the vaults, it is quite brutal. I was looking at Cocoa and CryptoCat again. Man, they were at 66, down to 12. Still longing or doing 100x leverage. He's got a little bit, but he's been closing out a lot of losses here. And let's look at what happened. Position wise, he's negative $200. I think he tried to short at 106. Now it's 111. Currently at what, $900, $1,000 in margin. So if he loses that, he'll be knocked down in half from his all-time from his net value. And we'll see what happens. Well, we don't know. We don't know. But these are not gonna make up for the loss that's there right now. So hopefully it goes in his favor. Wish you the best. CryptoCat really took a nice big dip there. He is closed out. He made a couple of small wins, but he got some pretty big losses here. 90 there, 90 there, 180, and another 200 something there. Another three. Yeah, it just gets kind of throw uppy looking at it. But he started to long at 111 at the very top, and he's up a little bit. So we'll see how that goes. And he's one at 100x leverage, so he's only got $34 into it. Not too bad, but he's got 2,400 in his account, so he's got a ability to play. We just don't know if it's just got a tank on him or is it gonna keep going up. But crazy thing is that the fees that accrue get quite large as you start to close out these big positions. There's $10 just in fees right there. $7 in fees to close out your $90 loss. So that's an extra $11 on top of your 40, I think, or is it not? I'm not sure. Realize P&L close value open minus trading up plus 20. All right, so that's the total. Okay, so that's $40 including the fees, 62 including the fees and whatnot. So yeah, I used to be there. I used to post big numbers, then I'll just give it away, and so now I just kind of low leverage long and spend time with the kids, let money flow, and go from there. Also, I have an announcement. We have a ring that we are promoting. It's a giveaway. Let me see if I can go to that X profile for you so you can see it. No, you cannot see it, so let me copy that and put that over here, and let me zoom out for you. Shift what? Oop. Oh man, there you go. Alright. Oh, let me pause it. Alright, that didn't work out, so we're going to just give you an update. I have a Bitcoin ring giveaway. It's on my X profile. Click on it, comment on it, retweet it, and then give me a story of why you should win that ring. And we'll announce winners once a week. and go from there. Okay. And also, I'm gonna start posting out the DCA prices that I put currently for the day. So if you like to try it manually on your end, and then dollar cost average the amount accordingly too. So I'll put the values and everything you can follow exactly, and then when to take profit, you can set up on your own. And if it works out for you, great, make some money for you. And then if not, you can use a little leverage you want. That's up to you on your side. And then see how it works out for you. Maybe you could get that wick DCA on the wick and go from there. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you then. Bye.